Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your Mac to macOS Tahoe 26.3.1 step by step. Updating macOS is important because it provides new features, security updates, bug fixes, better performance. So if you want your Mac to run smoothly and securely, make sure you update it regularly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your current macOS version. First, let's check which version of macOS you are currently using. Click the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen. Select About this Mac. Here you will see your current macOS version. If your Mac is not running macOS Tahoe 26.3.1, you can update it easily. Step 2. Open Software. Update now. Let's open the Software Update section. Click the Apple menu again. Select System Settings. Scroll down and click General, then click Software Update. Your Mac will now check for the latest updates available. Step 3. Download macOS Tahoe 26.3. If the update is available, you will see macOS Tahoe 26.3.1 listed here. Now simply click Update Now or Upgrade Now. Before downloading, make sure your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi. You have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free storage. Your MacBook is connected to power. Now the update will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it may take 10 to 30 minutes. Step 4. Install the update. Once the download is complete, macOS will automatically start preparing the installation. You may see a message asking you to restart your Mac. Click Restart Now. Your Mac will restart and begin installing the update. Important: do not turn off your Mac during this process. Installation may take 15 to 40 minutes. Step 5. Verify the update. After the installation is finished, your Mac will restart. To confirm the update, click the Apple logo, select About this Mac. Now you should see macOS Tahoe 26.3.1 installed on your Mac. Congratulations! Your Mac is now updated. More nice? To automatically install updates in the future, go to System Settings, click General Open Software Update. Enable automatic updates. This will keep your Mac secure and up to date. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Coding Expert for more Apple, iOS, and development tutorials. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.